that's getting real. They call him Route 9 Johnny.
Hey, this is Route 9 Johnny from the kitchen. You guys don't usually see me here, but tonight I am making some shepherd's pie my way. You're gonna love it. I got some ground turkey, I got some broccoli, I got some mashed potatoes with bacon, cheese, and all kind of little goodies here. We got seasoned just right. You're gonna love this recipe. I'm gonna brown up some ground turkey here, and then back here I have broccoli steaming. So I get that steamed up. I'm gonna cut broccoli in there, and then sprinkle it over the ground turkey, and then I'm going to put some mashed potato covering over that and let it sit, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. Okay, now I got the broccoli covering the ground turkey. Ground turkey's been seasoned, it's browned, this looks good. And next we're going to get these mashed potatoes on there. Just not any ordinary mashed potatoes. I got loaded mashed potatoes. I got sour cream in there, pepper jack cheese, and just a touch of bacon for those vegetarians. I'm gonna put on a little more heat. Here's the mashed potatoes on top. This is looking pretty darn good. Check that out. Now I'm gonna just season with some pepper, and then I'm gonna use a pinch of salt, and I'll sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon on top of that. I'm gonna let it simmer here for a little bit on some heat and let it settle, and then it should be good. Just gonna heat it back up here, let it all settle. Got the heat up medium. Gonna give it a little shake so that potatoes and everything kind of stirs in. Oh, this is gonna be good, and it's gonna be excellent leftovers. Yeah, I put a cover on it so it cooks up really nice. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, I've had it resting here for 5 minutes, and let's take a look at this. Oh, yes. Woo. Too bad you don't have smell-o-vision. You guys would love this. Real simple recipe. It's a great meal to have on a cold winter day. Oh wait, it's almost June. It's the end of May. But up here in Vermont, it's in the low 40s. So I consider it winter still. Anyway, bon appetit, everybody. Time to dig into this bad boy and see how it looks. Oh man, that looks just potatoes. I gotta get some meat. So I got my greens, got my protein, carbohydrates, vegetables. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna have just a little bit more. All right, time to eat, everybody. I'll let you know how it tastes when I get done. Bon appetit. Yeah, folks, this is delicious. Nothing better than a nice meal, watching a good old movie. Yeah, here we go. In the kitchen. You guys don't usually see me here, but it's pie my way. I hope you enjoyed watching me cook this simple recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and perhaps you'd consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. This is Route 9 Johnny. We'll see you down the road.